lastly, hindi ko po kakalimutan. Gusto ko po magpasalamat sa lahat ng 18. Maraming salamat po. 7 years na kami, pero maraming salamat at patuloy niyo kami binibigyan ng pagkakataon para makapag-perform sa harap.
Look at all these 18, the way they're listening to Felipe. And I have a lot of things to say.
Harap ninyong lahat. Matagal-tagal na rin kami, pero nandiyan pa rin kayo para sumuporta sa amin. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. We love you guys so much.
This whole show was a masterpiece. Absolutely masterpiece.
Marami pa po kaming gusto pasalamatan. Siyempre, si ng GCash and siyempre Metrobank for our co-presenters. Maraming salamat po.
And of course, City of Dreams Manila, Novotel, IB Style Manila, and of course, Ninang Pure Gold. Maraming salamat po. 18, alam namin 7 years na kami, pero may iniwala ba kayong tatagal pa kami?
Their smile and 18 who went there, who seen them live. I want to say thanks to everyone. What a special day, 7th anniversary of SB19.
Ang sagot ay, tignan natin! Marami kaming hinihanda para sa inyo, and of course, kasama namin kayo pagdating namin doon. Kaya naman, ano pa bang hahanapin natin? Siyempre, hanapin natin yung letter A. Nasaan ba ang 18? SLFT 18!